Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 5, and we are learning unit number 6, and its title is Traffic Issues. So, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. So our today's lecture, lecture number 6, under the title of Comprehension, we will learn how we can comprehend a text according to the information, okay? So before in English for grade 3 already we have learned that how we can use locate specific information to answer short questions based on different text. Already we have learned, my dear students, so today we are going to get more about it. There is that you can see locate specific factual information to answer short questions based on the text. Unit 1. In Unit 1 we have done that. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. Our today's student learning outcomes are locate specific information to answer the short questions, and the next one is change part of speech of a given word. 2 SLOs we are going to cover up today. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Sajdah, verse number 7, He who created all things in the best way, and He began the creation of man from clay. Subhanallah, my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us that how Allah Almighty created human being. First He created all things in the best way. So no matter, we cannot say that this thing is not good, this thing is not well, this thing should be like that, this should be, no. Everything that is created by Almighty Allah, everything is in a best way, because He knows well how He has to create anything, okay? So there 2 words are there, my dear students. There is a word created and another word creation. Okay, have you got 2 words are there, even both are same. So how they are used according to parts of speech. So today I'm going to give up this concept. Brainstorming activities there, see the image. Okay, what is being done there, my dear students? Can you get that? Okay, inform to your teacher. Yes, what happened here? Oh, there is a car and there they both are collided. Oh, what happened? Yes, my dear teacher, what you have to do, make group of students, give them tasks to discuss causes of road accidents. After discussion, share with class. So you will get into pair, and that already last day I have given you, assign you a homework that you will discuss at home causes of road accident. So already you know, so come in front of class and discuss these causes with your class, and I am waiting for you. Good job, excellent job, because already you have your homework, so you can discuss. Good, excellent job. So now we are going to start our today's lecture, page number 44. Open, my dear students, and remaining from till here we have done half page, and now we are going to start our next half page. So have you done with it? Good, be ready. Shahroz, why were you so late in class yesterday? Taha, oh, it was a painful experience as I got stuck in a traffic jam. Shahroz, that's really sad. Nowadays, traffic jam has become a serious problem for the people of this city. Taha, yes, you're right. Shahroz, it wastes our valuable time, but unfortunately. Now what they are discussing with each other, they are discussing each other about traffic jam, because due to traffic jam there are a lot of disturbances being created. If someone is moving to school, if someone is moving to office, to any work, so they are getting late, okay, and in this way much time is being wasted. So now they are discussing about that, okay. But unfortunately, let's see next, no action is taken to overcome this problem. Taha, exactly. Nobody comes forward to solve the problem. The main cause of traffic jam is a huge number of vehicles on the roads. So now they are discussing causes of traffic jam. So why traffic is jam? Because there are a lot of number of like many vehicles, several vehicles on the road, and road are so narrow. So that's why this is the cause of traffic jam. There is a question for you, my dear students. What are the main reasons of traffic jam? Where do you get that? Now, even I have already told you there also. What is the main reason of traffic jam? Good job, good job. So see there next. Shahroz, yes, there are too many vehicles on the road which are not wide enough. Taha, you're right. The unfavorable street conditions and violation of the traffic rules are resulting in the traffic jam in this city. How can we get rid of this curse? So they both are so much worried about this curse. Which curse? Traffic jam. So why? Because valuable time is being wasted. So see there, meaning curse. There is a word curse. Harm or on injury to come upon one. And violation, what is violation? Disobeying rules. Okay, in any rules, either that these rules are traffic rules, school rules, even your classroom rules. So when we will not follow, so this is called violation. Okay. There is next Shahroz. The roads should be widened and flyovers at the main crossings should be built. The drivers should properly trained. Traffic police should control the traffic. Now they are giving solution that how we can get that get rid of from traffic jam. So question is there, what steps should be taken to avoid traffic problems? Okay, good job, my dear students. Let's see next. Taha, that's right. Shahroz, thank you very much. Taha, you are welcome. Allah Hafiz, see you again. So now they have closed their discussion. Okay, so see there is a next question for you. What lesson did you learn from the text? So what lesson did you learn? Good. Discuss with your teacher, because a lot of lesson is there, that what we have to do and how we have to drive our vehicles and on which stop we have to follow traffic rules. Good job. So next on page number 45, my dear students, there is question number 1. Answer the following questions. These all questions you have to do in your notebook. Oh, welcome back. Good job. I hope you have done with it, because all these questions are related from the text. Next is their parts of speech. What are parts of speech? Words are divided into 8 parts called parts of speech. While we are talking, my dear students, different ways there. Already in our previous Islamic perspective, I already highlighted that when we are changing how we can get word according to different parts of speech. So 8 kinds are there. There are 8 parts of speech. You can read with me. See there, like noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjection. So these 8 parts are there while we are using our different conversations. So we using these parts of speech. So what we are going to do there? There are already, my dear students, I am giving you a link that already in your English grade 5 on page number 13 you have already learned about suffixes, prefix and suffix. Already you have learned how we can change a part of speech. So you can watch this video lecture again nicely. So see there. Yes, a suffix is a group of letters placed at the end of a word to make a new word. A suffix can make a new word in one of the 2 ways. 2 ways are there when we are changing word into different parts of speech. Which 2 ways? Type 1 is there. We add SRES suffixes to make plural form of noun. Already we know that when we are getting different nouns, singular or plural, what we are doing? We are adding SRES. Examples are there. Cat, cats, dress, dresses. Have you got? And what is next? We use DERINGREN to change the form of a word. One rule is there. So you can see original word and suffixed, like dog, dogs, sleep, sleeping, ox, oxen, big, bigger. So in this way we have changed. Okay. Root word is same, but when we have added a suffix, so then we have changed. Suffix is a word when we are adding at the end of the word. Keep remember, there is dog, same, but I have added s, okay, but at the end of the word. What is type 2? We use full, ale, hood, tion to change the form of original word. Examples are there like sorrow, sorrowful, accident, accidental, prophet, prophethood, act, action. So have you got? Now we have changed part of speech. That act is a verb and what we have got, action is a part of speech. What is that? This is a noun we have changed. Their accident, accident is a noun, and accidental we have got into an adjective. So in this way we can change. Now sorrow is a noun, and when we have added full, so we have got it as an adjective. This is the way that how we can change a word according to different parts of speech, same word. Okay. So now this is time to move an activity, my dear students, my dear teachers, be ready. Write few words on the board in a ladder form. There is a ladder I have given you. Grow, contribute, appear, follow, direct, value, etc. I have given few words, my dear teachers, as the sample words. It's up to you if you want to change, so you can change them. So next what you will do, get students into pairs, call each pair one by one to change the given words into an adjective. Each pair will take it in turns and will get a point. So now these words, they have to change into different adjective. Okay, so I'm waiting for you. Perform this activity and discuss with your teacher and then come back. Welcome back and good job, my dear students, and I hope you have done with it and now you have got that how we can change a parts of speech. Good. So what's our homework for today? Write question number 2 given on book page number 45 in your notebook. So there is a question number 2. You have to change part of speech. This is your homework and you have to do it in your notebook. So yes, my dear fellow teachers, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. Get it and provide it to your students in printed form and get ready to them to change parts of speech. They will get and select and they will write. Okay. So what we have learned today? Today we learned how to locate information or to give answer for short questions. We also learned how a word can be changed into different parts of speech by adding suffix in the root word. And in this way we have covered up our SLO, locate specific information to answer the short questions, change part of speech of a given word. Good job, and we have done with it and we have got a different way how we can change a word, same word, into different parts of speech according to noun, verb. So this was an excellent and so interesting knowledge that we have got today. I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. So tomorrow with a new lecture soon. We will meet soon inshallah. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.